Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Trance. So today we are going to solve a question that I have made of my own, okay? So it is based on a property of circles, but I do not know if anyone else has discovered it. Maybe there are some theorems about it, but I have never seen this getting used in some Olympiad questions or something like that. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So given that chord AB is 7 units and is extended 11 units to get a point Y, a tangent from Y meets the circle at P. If PX is the internal angle bisector of triangle PAB, then find the length of XY. So I would appreciate it if you would give it a try and then let's see how to solve it. Take your time, pause the video. Okay, so I hope you have given it a fair amount of thought. So let me attempt it. Okay, hmm, so given that chord AB is 7 units, the first thing that we will do is just label it correctly. So this is given to be 7 units. Okay, then and is extended. So this chord is extended 11 units. Okay, so it is extended by 11 units to get a point Y. A tangent from Y. So this is what this is basically a tangent. Okay. Okay, so we can see that we might be able to apply tangent secant theorem. Okay. So YA here is a secant. So थोड़ा लग रहा है कि tangent secant जैसा कुछ apply करना चाहिए. Okay. No worries. Then it meets at a point P to the circle if PX is the internal angle bisector. Okay. So हो सकता है कि इसमें angle bisector भी लगाना पड़े. Okay. Some people might think that angle bisector theorem, if you remember, it says that this ratio, this by this ka ratio is same as this by this ka ratio. Okay. So some people might think that angle bisector theorem could be used. Okay. But I have not gone through that way. Okay. I think it would be very, very tedious. But see, सबसे पहले तो हम इसको अज्यूम कर लेते हैं पी वाई का लेंथ को टी, राइट? So I know that t square should be equals to what? This yb length into ya length, right? अगर नहीं होता है तो you can prove this using this. Take this triangle and take this triangle, right? The first triangle is PBY. Oh, I should start with Y. So because if this is theta, then this is also theta. So Y B P will be similar to ट्राइंगल वाई से स्टार्ट करेंगे बिकॉज थीटा है, फिर उसके बाद में हम ऑप्टिव्स एंगल पे गए थे, देन पी एंड देन ए. ठीक है, जस्ट नोट दैट these triangles are similar, and from this similarity and taking the ratio of sides to be equal, you will get that t square should be equal to yb into ya. Okay, so t is equals to what? रूट ऑफ वाई भी कितना है? वाई भी इज 11 एंड वाई कितना है? इट इज 7 + 11. का root. Okay. So t is equals to 11 into this is 18 का root. ठीक है, whatever it is 198 हो जाएगा. ठीक है. But now how to proceed further? तो इसके बाद तो भाई ये सारी चीजें थोड़ी I'll have to erase it. ठीक है, ये भी erase, ये भी erase. ठीक है. Now how should we proceed further? Okay. One thing to note that given that this length py is a tangent, okay, so मैं assume कर लेता हूँ let this angle be alpha and let this angle be beta. Now because this is a tangent, therefore this angle must be also beta. I think it is known as angle in the ulterior segment, ulterior angle segment theorem, something like that. Okay, so it just states that if you have a tangent, then this angle will be equal to any angle which is subtended in this arc. ठीक है, opposite arc. Okay, so with this you get that this angle is also beta. Okay, so what is this angle then? ठीक है, instead of finding this angle, just check what is this angle. This angle is basically 180 minus alpha minus beta, right? And therefore this angle will become what? Alpha plus beta, right? Now you can see that this angle alpha plus beta and this angle is also alpha plus beta, right? Both the angles are same, this angle and this angle. So therefore py is equals to xy and triangle ypx is isosceles, right? Py is equals to xy, but we wanted xy, so xy is equals to py और py तो हमने निकाल रखा है t, so xy is equals to root 198 units. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this question, right? And thank you for watching. Do comment if you have any other method to solve this question. Okay, when I got to know about this property, it was pretty amazing. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Like, share, and subscribe, guys.